I just beat you to it.
This cap is on. It's stuff with the fan in the field. This pump off. That's the chips. You gotta rock and roll with this.
Yeah, you got what, 10 minutes or so?
Ready? You gotta keep it flowing. Right? See how it's looking out? You're not next. Good, Greg? Yep. Yeah, you gotta make sure it's primed, or it won't set up, and then you dig the shit out, and it's a cocksucker. Just keep blowing it. Get enough to get over the top, and we'll shave it.
Does it shrink?
No. That's all that I have.
You got to change out the nozzles each time?
Yep. Oh yeah, brand new nozzle every time.
Should we be shaking these other ones?
Yeah, shake them as we go.
All right. Come on, all you guys have had practice now. Come on.
I don't need it. His girlfriend's in town.
Yeah. His girlfriend's in town. She leaves tomorrow.
Then he will be.
Bob, if you wait a long time before scraping, does that stuff just keep getting harder?
It gets so hard, that's where it's really hard to get off. Yeah.
Okay.
First of all, I recommend 4 hours, but they've never scraped it.